Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Coastin. The song is Coastin, the artist is Bonnie James, featuring Lalah Hathaway, and the choreography is Cynthia Gardner. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. Also, as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And here we go.
It's in the way you smile, knowing that I'll go wide. You're mine, and everything I get is yours. And when the sun's in my eyes and wind in my hair, I'm floating on a cloud. Nothing can compare. Coasting.
So smooth, coasting. You just coast through the dance. Instructor, that's a beautiful cool down at the end of your class. Make sure you check out the step-by-step instruction. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.